this act was done by Mr. Bachili and who else?
Yusufa Jallo, the acting director of administration.
At the time?
Yeah.
Okay, so upon writing this letter to Mr. Bachili, were you responded to? Did he respond?
No, I haven't gotten any response from him.
And you've also made mention in your letter that you've lost some of your personal belongings.
Yes, I do.
Were you able to retrieve those belongings as well?
No, up to now I haven't received any of my personal belongings.
And nothing has been done about this?
Nothing has been done.
Okay. Madam Chair, that will be all for this witness.
Ms. Jai,
Yes.
thank you so much.
Thank
you.
you.
You are discharged.
Thank you, ma'am.
If we need to call you for any clarification, we will do so.
Thank you, ma'am.
And thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please call the next witness.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. Welcome back. You may kindly take your seat. Mr. Witness, for continuation of your testimony before this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and related matters, I want to remind you that you are still under oath before I hand you over to Madam Chair for us to proceed.
22nd of April 2022, 28th of April 2022, 26th of May 2022, 15th of April 2021, 29th of January 2021, 13th of April 2022, 19th of April 2021, 26th of February 2019, 7th of March 2019, 9th of March 2020, 19th of February 2020, 18th of March 2020, 10th of January 2020, 5th of November 2019, I'm a letter addressed to Ibu El Njai, Rates Officer, from the Chief Executive Officer on the 15th of November 2019. A letter addressed to Dauda Drame, the supervisor, on the 11th of November 2019. With the subject Human Resource Plan and Job Evaluation Plan for all supervisors and cleaners. Offer of appointment as laborer to Dudu Drame, 28th of March 2018. An offer of appointment as temporary laborer to Lamin Boja. The date is 9th of December 1994. Establishment and Appointments Committee meeting held on the 1st of August 2019 at the head office of the CEO. Minutes of meeting. Notice of Establishment and Appointment Committee of its meeting. Date is 26th of July 2019. Establishment and Appointment Committee meeting held 1st of August 2019. The CEO's office. Confirmation of resident. The 15th of February 2019, addressed to the Chairman, Kerawan Area Council. A request for confirmation of resident on the 15th of February 2019. A request for confirmation of resident addressed to the Lord Mayor by the Chief Executive Officer on the 15th of February 2019. A request for confirmation of resident. The date is 15th of February 2019, addressed to the Lord Mayor by the CEO. A request for confirmation of resident addressed to the Lord Mayor. The date is 15th of February 2019. A request for confirmation of residence for Lyman Singate, the other for Buba S. Jane, we have one for Kumbaba, another for Nfamara Tangan, we have one for Fatumata Nyabali, Ndei Baji, Penda Ba, Babu Cham, Seydou Diallo, Ali Jamanka, Ibrahima Jaju, Birkama Nyambai. I said these are applications made for the eligibility of these employees to be paid transport allowance.
From who? Who signed it?
From the Chief Executive Officer to the Mayor.
Okay.
Okay. So you never had access to these letters? You didn't see these letters before?
No, those kind of letters, no. It only establishes meetings and stuff like that.
But you brought them?
Yes, but they give it to me through the admin office.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe it's concerning establishment, that's why they give it to me.
We applied tender a letter from the Local Government Service Commission addressed to the Chief Executive Officer, Banjul City Council, with the subject contract appointment of Clerk of Council. Letter addressed to the Chairman, Local Government Service Commission on the 30th of April 2019, with the subject recruitment of City Council guards and other staff members. With the address to the Chairman, Local Government Service Commission, 30th of April 2019, with the subject contract for the clerk to council. A letter addressed to Usman Jang on the 30th of April 2019, regards to annual leave, application for sponsor, written by Asan A. Jallo, General Audit Officer, addressed to the Chief Executive Officer. Minutes of General and committee meetings of the 18th of April 2019. Duru Drame and Landing Baji complained against Banjul City Council. Documents submitted are all in the photocopy form, correct?
Yes.
The minutes of the establishment committee, is it covering the period from 2020 to 2023?
Yes.
That's correct.
That's correct?
Yes.
Chairperson, that's all for this witness.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ture.
Thank you.
If we need to clarify anything from you, we may call you.
No problem.
There
You're
is the
always
need.
welcome. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What was it?
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Mr. Witness, for continuation of your testimony before this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and related matters, I want to remind you that you are still on the oath before I hand you over to Madam Chair for us to proceed.
Good afternoon, Mr. Bashiri.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You're welcome back.
Thank you very much.
Council.
Yes, Mr. Pacheli,
Yes, Lead Council.
you have some documents for us?
Yeah, I have one.
Yeah, unfortunately, the other one, I should have collected it today at the chambers of our lawyer, but then I was told that the individual has gone to the High Court.
Exactly the same, but please, you could liaise with the registrar to confirm whether it's the exact document. If it is the exact document, there is no need to admit this one.
Okay, ma'am.
Because it's one and the same.
Thank you.
But first, you will liaise with the registrar to confirm that the admitted document is the same as this copy you have.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
I have a few questions. Mr. Bacheli, we have a letter here from Ida Njai.
Yes.
It is marked as exhibit number LGC/BCC. That's IN 010. Addressed to you, the Chief Executive Officer. The date. You have seen this letter before?
I've never seen this letter in the council.
You didn't receive this letter?
No. And I have never instructed the carpenter to break any office.
You have what?
I have never instructed the council carpenter to break any office.
But this was brought to your attention by Ms. Njai.
No, I'm just saying this thing right now.
She testified to that effect, and then, but she was replaced.
She was replaced.
And how was she replaced?
She was written to.
You wrote to her.
Yes.
You have copies of that letter that was written to her?
Yes, I have copies of those letters.
Okay, we will need that.
Transferred to the rates department.
Okay, we will need that.
But
did you give her time to vacate the office and hand over all necessary documents?
No, those are routine things. If you're giving the letter to transfer, you are at will to do it in your own way. You can go and get yourself prepared and then move to the office.
No, there is a time. There should be a timeline. If the person is a procurement officer, is that not the case?
Yes.
And she occupies an office, correct?
Yeah, that office, she was sharing it with another lady called Dado. I think, I'm not too sure whether they met each other there. That I'm not too sure.
It does not appear, from the letter, it would not appear as if someone else was occupying the office as well.
Yeah, but then two things that I can really for certainly say is that I have never seen this letter, one, and secondly, I have never given instructions to the council carpenter to change any lock.
But who will change the locks then? Who has the authority to do that?
I think maybe she will be in a better position to say it.
But she explained to us. She
And
said...
also, if, I don't know whether I shouldn't tell the commission what to do, but then...
to call the carpenter?
He's here.
All right.
At the council. But I've never instructed the carpenter to change any office.
No problem, Mr. Bacheli. These are the assertions. We will want you to provide us with the letter regarding
the transfer.
The transfer.
Okay.
Was it supposed to be with immediate effect?
Yes.
Okay.
I recall.
Immediate effect would not suggest there was time to hand over. You heard what I said?
Pardon?
Immediate effect would not suggest that there was time to hand over. Immediate effect wouldn't suggest there was time to hand over.
Yeah, but still, I mean, with immediate effect, to me, what it means is that you should effect the transfer as soon as possible, especially if you've done a handover to the person who's succeeding you.
All right. So we will wait for your letter.
Okay.
All right. Any questions?
Mr. Bacheli, please bring the letter by Thursday also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you done with it?
Yes. Sorry, Chair.
Yes.
We are done with the witness.
Okay. Mr. Bacheli, we'll see you on Thursday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
got only one word.
Why one?
Uh,
How many words do you have?
16.
And what happened with the 15?
You requested for one of the plans to do the collection.
Okay.
Yes. Names of the nominated councillors, letters from their groups.
Yes.
And the names of the people who are appointed during my time.
Okay.
Yes. These are the.
All right.
Can I see? Yeah, they are together. Yes. The establishment register is with the team here.
Okay.
My people have submitted that, and also the asset register. They are
All
with
right.
your people here.
No problem.
Yes.
Letters in relation to postings for 2020, 2021, 2022, for the setting up of teams for the effective and efficient registration of businesses within the region, correct?
Yes.
An original copy of minutes of the General Council meeting held at the Council Chambers on the 5th of September 2018. Wherein the audit report was discussed, correct?
Yes.
Of appointment as cleaner at Farafina Toilet to CC on the 1st of July 2019. Appointment as health laborer Alfaseni Sanyang on 27th of June 2019. The temporary appointment as cleaner of one asset to Haidara on the 1st of January 2019. A letter addressed to Bakare Mane, addressing appointing him on the 1st of July 2019 as a driver. Offer of appointment on a contract basis to Mbemba Sonko as a night watchman at the Bara Sub-Treasury on the 1st of July 2019. Offer of contract appointment as cleaner at Nungu Kebe Weekly Market, Lumo. The appointee is Ahmad Fall on the 2nd of September 2019. On the 9th of June 2021, Babakar Kinte was issued an offer of appointment at the Procurement Department as a procurement clerk, appointment as a day watchman to an Alaji Lay on the 9th of February 2023.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Mr. Bojang?
Yes, madam.
Yes, these appointments are from 2022 or?
2018.
All right. 2018, 2019, 2020?
2020 and 2023.
All right. The witness, as chairman of Kerewan Area Council, presented a bundle of documents containing appointments covering the period 2018 to 2023. That is one of the documents, that is the teams for collection of property and taxes.
Mm-hmm.
I see that this is just for 2023, is that correct?
Yeah. He was asking whether.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah.
But I'm just confirming.
Yes, thank you.
All right. The minutes of the General Council meeting held at the Council chamber on the 5th of September 2018.
Mm-hmm. To discuss about audit reports.
Yes, to discuss the audit reports. Is that it, Mr. Boja? What I have here, as in the agenda, is trip to municipal Dembur, and the second one is audit report, UNDP. These are different issues.
Yes, it was a general meeting.
Yes.
Issues were discussed there.
So that is why I don't want to be mistaken in what I'm admitting.
Yes.
If you just say audit report, one would expect that it was just only one audit report, and which is different. Yeah. This is, let me just admit it as minutes of the General Council meeting held at the Council chamber on the 5th of September. Because when I perused the agenda, there were so many different things that were discussed.
You are right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Then the last document is the names of nominated councillors. and the letters from their respective groups. These documents are all admitted together in a bundle and marked as LGC/KAC/MILB/004.
Ask the Commission, please. Ask the Commission, please. I have a few questions for Mr. Bojang.
Yes, proceed, please.
Right. Mr. Bojang,
Yes, sir.
I see.
Great counsel.
Yes, I see. Mr. Bojang, my friend, I see there were many tractors that were tractor drivers that were employed. How many tractors do you have during your time?
4 was given by the, how to call it, is it TRRC?
Yes.
And we have another 3 which is with us there.
Making it 7.
7.
And they are all functional?
They are all functional.
And how many do you have as tractor drivers that you've employed?
Most of these tractor drivers were they were not paid. They were with us. Later we discovered that they are performing very well.
Yes.
And then we decided to appoint them.
Okay, but how were they? How many of them?
To employ them.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, one thing is clear. The people you have appointed are within the grade that you can employ. The ones we have seen, you have submitted. So they are within the grade, within your authority.
Yes.
I don't know whether
Grade 3.
I am saying the appointments we have that you have submitted as being the people you have appointed during your time.
Yes.
They are within the authority you have.
Yes, to appoint them.
Yes. So, for example, the tractor drivers, and the cleaners. The cleaners grade 2.1. We see even tractor drivers 2.1, and you have the health laborers. They are also 2.1. They are all within your authority.
Yes,
correct?
they are within the authority.
Good.
It is appointed by the establishment and forwarded to the council meeting, and they are approved. They were given to the CEO to write the appointment letters.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, how do you know the number that you need normally?
It depends on the vacancies available at the council.
The what?
The vacancies that
The
are-
vacancy.
Yes, the vacancy.
Okay, so all these were employed based on vacancies that were
Yes.
available.
Yes.
How would you know the vacancy that's available?
The service we need to provide at the various category of positions.
Right.
Yes.
And what informs that?
Through visiting the health, the places that they work with, and sometimes we are informed by the councillors.
By the councillors?
Yes. I could remember that Amat at the Lumo site,
Right.
the VDC have to write to the office to inform us that, well, we need somebody to clean the Lumo place, because after the Lumo, the place is always untidy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, but you did not rule out advertisement for this, no?
No. We did not give out appointments. Sometimes the councillors will identify them at the ward level with the ward development committees.
Right.
And then they will forward the name of these people to us.
Okay.
Yes.
But that would not be the best way to appoint people, correct?
Some of them are on voluntary basis
Yes.
at the village level, especially at the Lumo places.
Right.
When they are we find out that, well, they have to be on voluntary for
Right.
about 3 months,
Yes.
and then the names will be forwarded to us.
Right.
Yeah.
So how about the ones that do not volunteer?
Well, many of these people are on volunteer.
Yes, but I'm just saying, how about the
With that, we depend on our councillors and the VTC members, the structure of the decentralized system.
Yes, but what are the chances of someone who did not volunteer but yet still?
Then we advertise those positions.
No, what I'm trying to say is that there should be a certain fair play and equal opportunity for all, right? The employment is all based on, of course, you can headhunt if you follow the right channel, for instance, right? If you follow the right procedures, you can always have one or two that are headhunted for various reasons, devoid or absent, absent from influence or interest or any form of conflict of interest. Like I cannot, as chairman, just bring someone that is my nephew or my niece. But I'm not saying that's what happened here. I'm saying as a general term, where you have these employees employed for various genuine reasons, right? Would it not be better to have a form of advertisement so that others may be aware of it and they may have access also to apply? And when they apply, you will now decide whether they are qualified or not.
You are right. Some of these positions, they are very difficult to get personnel for them.
Okay.
Especially at Farafenni and Bara.
Okay.
As I told you, the conditions that are there, we are having challenges.
Yes.
That's why the team that we have employed in Bara,
right,
they were working with Bara VDC,
right,
collecting refuse, and then they have been paid per bag.
Okay.
So their vehicle had a problem, and they were given to us by the VDC.
By the VDC?
Yes. And then we employed them because they were doing very good services.
Okay.
And you are right. It can be, we can have stable people better than this when we advertise. But we are having big challenges that are confronting us in terms of health laborers.
Okay.
Both Farafenni and Bara.
Very well.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your evidence. The commissioners have had your evidence and the challenges and therein. The audit report that was discussed on the 5th, adequate deliberation on the issues raised by the auditor. For instance, it reads, it is constitutional to all the government institutions and local authorities to face the backpack committee of the National Assembly to defend their financial reports. Now, Kerewan Council was not exempted from facing the committee to defend their audit report for the 2016-2017 calendar year. Now, some of the problems found by the backpack against the report were the inconsistency between the cash books and the receipt books. The cash collected and deposited at the bank was also of concern to backpack. Proving the viability of the audit report to the council members, the CEO CDK today explained that under normal circumstances, it is normal to be confronted and faced with the technical committee to scrutinize the reports presented before them. According to him, the queries were genuine, but the summary reports and the media was not fair on how they handled the news against Carolina Council. He said that the council will continue to improve on its weaknesses and become one of the most vibrant public institutions. Yes, so the backpack, you went there and you discussed the report. Now, at council level, these minutes are just showing that you are discussing your interactions with the committee, correct? Not really showing the arguments of members of council in relation to details, that findings of the report, and what the way forward or the task ahead should be, recommendations made, resolutions passed to address those issues. I don't know whether you see what I'm trying to say.
Yes, I've got you.
Yes.
It has been summarized by the secretary.
By
the secretary.
Okay.
Of the council.
Right.
But a lot of issues were discussed.
Right.
In order to see that we did not have such a deficit again.
Right.
So councillors were allowed to come out with salient points in order to see that, because the audit report book was placed before us.
Right.
So we went through it by page after page.
Yes.
So we have discussed all these important points, the deficit and auditing. If you can see, it has mentioned that.
Yeah. So this is for the 2016-2017 calendar year. You came in 2018.
2018, yes.
Your first term was in 2018.
Yeah, a term of 2018 because it was a big deficit, $12 million.
Right, but it was not during your period.
It was a big concern.
Yes, but it was not during the time that you were the chairman, even though you that's what you inherited.
I inherited that deficit.
Correct.
But I was invited to the park.
Naturally, because you were the subsequent chairman. You took over the previous chairman, yes, from the previous chairman.
Yeah.
And so you were answering for sins that you did not commit.
Yes.
Yes.
And it was an eye-opener for me.
Of course.
To know that what I'm going to face.
Right.
But my intervention by taking it to the council,
right,
has helped me a great deal.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, the 2018, 2019, 2020, 2022, 2023, the 2018 to 2023 reports, would you have minutes that will show that it has been discussed at the council level and issues addressed therein?
Lead counsel, your question was whether I can produce.
Yes.
That, well, it has been discussed at the council level.
Right.
So that's why I brought this later.
Yes, but for the time,
yes,
you were chairman for matters that affected you, as at the time you were overseeing the area council.
No, I do not have that.
You don't have those ones. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you. I believe that's all. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Bujan.
Thank you.
For clarifying some of the issues and for presenting the documents we requested. You are discharged.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I do not know that.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. You may kindly take your seat. Mr. Witness, for continuation of your testimony before this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and related matters, I want to remind you that you are still under oath before I hand you over to Madam Chair for us to proceed. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you.
Afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
You are welcome back.
Thank you, ma'am.
Council, you may proceed.
Good afternoon, Mr. Keta.
Yeah, afternoon.
You're to provide some documents?
Yes.
Do you have them?
Yeah, I have them.
May we please see the documents you brought? Madam Chair, we apply to tender some documents from the witness. One is an offer appointment letter dated 30th of November 2005 from Carnifing Municipal Council, addressed to the witness, Mr. Moro Keta, signed by the acting chief executive officer at the time, Richard Jassy, copied to the director of finance and the mayor. A memo dated 5th of March 2009, addressed to the chief executive officer with the heading Missing GTR Books. Kuntawur Area Council Framework Contract 2017, dated the 1st of January 2017, and it's between Kuntawur Area Council and Jar Oil Fuel Company. Signed by the CEO, Pafansu Dabo, Moro Keta, Director of Finances, the witness, and Mariam Ann, Branch Manager, was copied, the Chairman of Kuntawur Area Council. Another document is dated the 31st day of January 2003, subject payment of January salary to Ansutarawale, addressed to the Director of Finance from the Chief Executive Officer. There is another letter dated 31st of March 2009, addressed to Ansutarawale, the Accounting Assistant of Kuntawur Area Council, with the subject cessation of monthly earnings. Signed by the Chief Executive Officer, Pafansu Dabo, and copied Chairman of Kuntawur Area Council, Director of Finance, and Acting Development Officer. Kuntawur Area Council Assessment Form B for 2018. Kuntawur Area Council Form B, Rates and Taxes for 2018. For the Ward District, Sami and Pachonki.
Sami Pachonki and Sami Karantaba.
Yes, and Sami Pachonki and Sami Karantaba. The other one is Kuntawur Area Council Form B, Rates and Taxes for 2019. Mr.
It's 2 years, 2018 and 2019.
You were asked to provide for only 20 years. I noticed that it's just 2018 and 2019.
Yes, that's the only thing, document. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Kuntawur Area Council, this has the name Keba K Fati Market Ticket Cash Sortage Deduction. Keba K Fati is a collector, not the market.
A collector, yeah.
Okay.
These are the summary of his deductions.
Will require you to, this is printed out by yourself?
Yeah.
I will require you to sign it and and put the date as well.
Okay, thank you.
Kuntawur Area Council is a letter to the Chief Executive Officer from the Director of Finance at the time, the witness, with a subject cash impress system. Copied the Chairman, Director of Planning and Finance Manager. Another document from the witness is Memo to all collectors from the Director of Finance copied the Chief Executive Officer dated the 23rd of August 2023 with the subject ceasing of expenses from collection. Payment receipt from GRA for Kuntawur Area Council. That's dated 24th of March 2023 for the sum of 21,099. A memo from Kuntawur Area Council addressed to the Chief Executive Officer from the Director of Finance, the witness, dated 8th of February 2022, and the subject is withholding tax. And it's for the total sum of 163,826. Document from Kuntawur Area Council addressed to the Chief Executive Officer from the witness, Director of Finance, dated 19th day of March 2022 with another subject called Cash Impress System. An internal audit from Yasin SCC dated 2nd July 2024, signed by Momodo Sambu, Chief Executive Officer, addressed to the Chairman, Permanent Secretary, Director of Finance, with the subject Audit of Kuntawur Area Council. Another letter dated May 13, 2024, addressed to the Auditor General, National Audit Office, signed by the Chief Executive Officer, Momodo Sambu, with the subject request for extension of audit activities for the period 2021, 2022, and 2023. That's a copy. Most of your documents are copies.
Yeah, all of them are copies. Yeah.
Where are the originals?
The originals are with me.
You were required
I kept the originals.
Oh. You are required to produce the originals. You should bring the originals from where you copied these, okay, for us to compare. Thank you.
Thank you.
Another letter from the Ministry of Lands and Regional Government and Religious Affairs, dated 21st of June 2024, addressed to the Chief Executive Officer, Kuntawur Area Council, subject Audit of Kuntawur Area Council. This letter is from the Permanent Secretary, Yasin SCC.
It's from the senior internal auditor.
Yasin SCC.
Yasin SCC, yeah.
I don't know if
those are the external auditors. They want to audit our account.
I understand.
Yeah.
I don't know if there is another document to this. This one, it says Yasin SCC, but it's not signed. Do you have the signed copy?
No, he printed this thing from a computer.
Or it was the soft copy that you printed?
Yeah.
But what I mean, I'm sure the signed version is sent to the office.
Yeah, it could be.
Yes, you look for that one because this is not signed.
All right.
Another document from Kuntawur Area Council, written by the Director of Finance, Mr. Moraketa, the witness, addressed to the Chairperson of Local Government, Commission of Inquiry. You're seeking request for clarification and correction on what?
Yeah, on the subject matter, if you look at it, it's about...
Yes, but did you...
The CSE, the payments made to us.
I understand. Were you required to provide this document here, or you've written to us
No,
and you
because I wanted to make that clarification during my testimony, but there was no time. So I decided to write.
Yes, but this is submitted to the Secretariat.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
I should
you
look
did
at it.
not.
No, I didn't.
Okay, we'll return it back to you. You can give it or you can drop it off at the admin office at the Secretariat, then we will react to it.
Okay.
But it's not part of the document that we require you to bring and tender in.
Thank you.
Thank you. Madam Chair, we apply to tender all of these documents from the witness into evidence as an exhibit.
Mr. Keita, you are the current Director of Finance at Kuntawur.
Yes, madam.
Did you present your financial records from 2018 to 2023, January, and?
Yes, we present the financial statements from the period you quoted.
The documents presented by the witness as follows. A letter dated the 30th of November 2005. This is addressed to the witness Moro Keita. It has reference KMC/ADM/005. This is offer of appointment as an internal auditor. The letter is signed by Richard Jassif for CEO, and then it was copied to the acting Mayor KMC, acting Finance Director, IT Manager. The Kuntawur Area Council Assessment Form B for 2018, that is the district of Same, and the ward is Karantava. The Kuntawur Area Council Form B for Rates and Taxes 2018, district is Same, and the ward is Pachonki. The Kuntawur Area Council Form B for Rates and Taxes 2019, the district is Same, and the ward is also Pachonki. Is it one and the same, or they are different?
They are different. 2018.
Okay, this is 2018 and this is 2019. You are right. And Kuntawur Area Council Assessment Form B for 2019. The district is Same and the ward is Karantava. You have the letter dated May 13, 2024. It has reference KTR 00013, addressed to the Auditor General, National Audit Office, Kanifing Industrial Estate. It has the subject request for extension of audit activities for the period 2021, 22, and 23. This is signed by Mamadou Sambo, CEO, copied to the Chairman, Director of Finance, and Director of Planning. A letter dated the 2nd of July 2024, addressed to the Internal Auditor, Yasin SCC, Ministry of Lands, Regional Government, and Religious Affairs. It has the caption Audit of Kuntawur Area Council. It is signed by Mamadou Sambu, CEO, copied to the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Lands, Chairman, Kuntawur Area Council Director. GRA payment receipt for the third quarter for the sum of $21,099.94 butus. Is dated 24th of March 2023. A memo dated the 23rd of August 2023 This is addressed to all collectors from the Director of Finance, and it is copied to the CEO, and the subject is chasing of expenses from collections. Mr. Keta, what do you mean when you say chasing of?
No, ceasing to stop.
Ceasing.
Ceasing. We ask them to stop.
Ceasing of expenses.
Expenses made out of collections.
Oh, okay. But Mr. Keta, this is not signed.
What's that?
Yes, can you please give it to him? The memo is not signed. A memo dated the 19th of March 2020. It is addressed to the CEO, and it is from the Director of Finance. It has the caption Cash Impress System. Didn't I mention this earlier on? I think this is a second copy.
This should be one copy.
It's the same date.
Okay, let me
Can
have
you
it.
please
Let me
confirm?
have it, right?
It's the same date. And confirm also is whether it's the same signature.
It's the same.
Is the same?
Yeah.
Okay, we return one to you. All right. Sorry? Okay. All right, the one that I gave you that was not signed was the memo dated the 23rd of August 2023, and it is addressed to all collectors, and it is from you, Mr. Keta, Director of Finance. It is copied to the CEO, and it says ceasing of expenses from collection. And let me take this other memo again, which is the one I was asking whether it's copied twice.
Yeah.
That is the one dated 19th of March 2020. It is from the Director of Finance, addressed to the CEO, and it has the caption Cash Impress System.
Yeah.
It is copied to the Chairman, Director of Planning, Acting Finance Manager, and the Internal Auditor. And a letter dated the 31st of March 2019, addressed to Ansu Tarawale, Accounting Assistant. It has the caption Cessation of Monthly Earnings. It is signed by Pa Fansudabo, CEO. It is copied to the Chairman, Director of Finance, Acting Development Officer, and a file copy is maintained. The memo dated the 31st of January 2023 is addressed to the Director of Finance. It is from the CEO, and it has the subject Payment of January Salary to Ansu Tarawale. It is signed by the CEO. The final letter is dated the 1st of January 2017. It is a framework contract 2017 between Kuntur Area Council and Jar Oil Fuel Company. It is signed by Pafan Sudabo, CEO, Moro Keta, Director of Finance, and Mariam Ann, Branch Manager Wasu. It is copied to GPPA, Chairman Kuntur Area Council, and a file copy is maintained. The last document is the Kebake Fati Market Ticket Cash Shortage Deduction. It is signed 28th of August 2024. These documents are admitted together in a bundle as exhibit in evidence, and They are marked as LGC/KTRC/MK/007. Council?
As the Commission pleases. Mr. Keta, is that all the documents you have?
Yes.
Okay, now, like I said, we will return the letter back to you. You can drop it off at the Secretariat, then we will get back to you to discuss the issues raised on this letter.
Thank you.
In the absence of any other question for the witness for today, that will be all for this witness.
Thank you so much, Mr. Keta.
Thank you.
You will hope to hear from the Secretariat for the clarification you are seeking when you drop this letter.
Okay.
And you can avail us those documents that we have requested soonest.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You are discharged. We may rise.